Okay, here's this furniture, and let's see how to create a hole here for this hinge. So this is an 18 millimeter, so this dimension is 18 millimeters. Okay, and inside that wood we have such an element, and this part is inside here in a hole that can be opened something like this. So this one should be inserted inside. As you can see, now it's on outside. It should be something like this. So that requires a hole, and that hole is 35 millimeters in diameter, and it will be inserted there. And then the other end should enter into that screw, something like that. This outer element is not here in my hand, so I will create this hole inside the wood. That hinge is closing the door. Okay, something like that. So now it's closed. It's pulling it. And that's it. So let's see how to create this hole. Okay, so you will need an electric drill, something like this, and you will need a tool like this, and this will cut the hole necessary for this part. The diameter is that one, 35 millimeters here, and on this piece, this one is cutting. That one is centering it, that is very important. And exactly on this model the side has some teeth also, but this one is making the work. This one is cutting. 35 millimeters, so it's 35 millimeters this dimension, and 1600 RPM. Introduce it there. And like so. So the tip is positioning it, it's fixing it into one place, and then the rest will cut. Let's mount this one here onto the corner, and this part is not needed now. So this one should be here somewhere, and I have to measure the center of this one, and there I will make the hole. So this has 35 millimeters in diameter, this way, and I will place the hinge itself from the side 8 centimeters to the middle, till here somewhere. Okay, so let's measure those 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters from the side, and 23 from this side, so 23 millimeters. 23. Okay, so that's the spot. Now in that spot I will create a small hole, because the other one has this tip which needs a guide, so I don't want the larger tool to wander around, so I will make a small initial hole. That's it. Now the large one. This will make quite a lot of mess. Position the tip, this one, into the hole and drill. We won't drill too much, so the hinge has around 11 millimeters. So around 11 millimeters will enter into the wood. So we have to check. So let's start with this one. Maybe I should move move the camera because it's making a lot of dirt. Okay, so the tool should not disappear, so it's still visible, it's outside. It will heat up in time. Okay, so let's check the depth. So as you can see, it's not flush, so we need to dig deeper. So let's take off the dust. Let's check once again. It's still not deep enough. So make sure you don't drill all the way down, because you will make a hole. So the hole is visible here, but it should not be visible on the other side. Nothing. And now it's perfect. It's not moving, so it's rotating, but it's not moving sideways. After this we can put those two screws in it. Okay, the other way. And it should open this way. Okay, now to make it parallel with the side, then I will use this one, and let's push it away a little bit. And by pushing it there, it will be parallel with that one. Okay, make a sign there. Drill some holes. Not all the way, half a centimeter is okay. Place those there. And now I'll put two screws in it. And that's it. How to make a hole and how to mount a hinge. And this one will be somehow like this, and it will be on the side of the furniture. You have this adjustment and you have this adjustment by using this screw, and this one is fixing it, locking it into position. You have to put these screws in to mount it onto the side of the furniture, and you can use the third one here in the middle also, this one. So 8 centimeters from the side there, and 23 millimeters. 23 meters from this side.